So children, did you enjoy your music class with Miss Suraya? And are you ready for the third half? Now this time today, we are not going to listen to a story, but in this third half, we are going to do literacy. Yes, since we have finished all our letters from A to Z, today we are going to revise all of them and also remember their friends. Are you ready? So I'm going to show you the flashcards and I'm sure you can recognize each of these letters, and also we will revise how many friends it has. So we will say a few names of its friends. But before we start with this revision with the flashcards, how about we sing our favorite ABC song, right? Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on the bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Happy, happy we shall be when we know our ABC. So children, you know all your letters, right? We just revised our ABC song. So now I'm going to do a quick revision. I'm going to show you the flashcard, and again we'll revise all our letters from A to Z. Which is this letter? Yes, this is A. A says axe. Over here there's an axe, and A says apple. B says ball. B says bat. C says cat. C says castanets. D says drum. D says dog. E says elephant. E says egg. F says fish. F says fingers. G says gate. G says gun. It says hut. It says hat. I says ink pot. I says ink pen. J says jelly. J says jam. K says kite. K says king. L says lion. L says lollipop. M says monkey. M says mummy. N says nest. N says nose. O says octopus. O says orange. P says pumpkin. P says pencil. Q says quill. Q says queen. R says rose. R says ring. S says snake. S says soap. T says top. T says toys. All your toys also, right? U says umbrella. U says up. V says was. V says van. W says watermelon. W says watch. X says Xmas-tree. X says X-ray. Y says yam. Y says yogurt. And last, Z says zip. Z says zoo. So children, these were the friends of we just revised two friends each of each letter. Now let's do one nice interesting game, and we will again see whether y'all can recognize your letter. Come on, are you ready to play this lovely game? Let's see what we require, and we'll require definitely our mama and papa's help for it. But yes, after that you are supposed to do all the things. And now we have revised all the letters, so I'm sure my smart babies can recognize each letter and play this game well. Come on, let's go. So parents, we are going to do this nice little activity where we'll require, you can just take any paper. You'll require these kind of stickers. Now I have these stickers with me, which are circle in shape, and what I have done is I have written all the letters from A to Z, as you can see, and write it nice and bold so that they are able to read, and just take a bigger size of a sticker rather than a smaller one. Now taking into consideration the size of the sticker, we will take an object and measure out the circle so that we know, okay, this is the right size. And do is we'll draw 26 circles, and at random here and there, and then on each circle we have to write at random all the letters of the alphabet. They will not be in sequence, they will not be in line, and you will ready a paper somewhat like this. Can you see here? I have already done this. So I have a sheet of paper on which I will draw first the 26 circles, and then not in the order of A to Z, I will write all my letters. Now once this is ready, children, your time starts now. You will be given the stickers. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to peel the sticker. So when you peel the sticker, use your thumb and Mr. Pointer and you remove it. Now which letter is this? A. Can you find letter A on the paper here? Yes, I found it, and I will stick it. It is so easy. A is over. Let me go to B. Now, before you peel, what you should do is first find the letter so that it's very easy for you to spot it. Now, spot letter B. Yes. So, I will just peel it and stick it. Okay. Now, let's find letter C. Where is letter C? Where is letter C? Here it is. Here it is. Right? So you can play this very nice game of finding each letter and putting the stickers on it. After C, we have to find letter D, and I already found it when I was finding letter C. So here is my letter D. Now let's find letter E. E. Yeah. So children, in this way you have to go on peeling each sticker and putting it on the place. Let's find letter F. Let's find letter F. Here it is. Now it's time to find letter G. G, 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 G. Where is letter G? Here. So you can bend the paper a little bit and then it will be easy for you to pull out the sticker. But you will do this all by yourself. You will not ask mama or papa to help you. This is your game. You have to play it and you have to finish all these circles and stick all the stickers of the alphabet. Now letter H. Here it is. Easy peasy. Now let's find letter I. Yes, I found letter I. Now where is letter J? Where is my letter J? Here it is. So you have to find the similar alphabets and keep on sticking the stickers one after another when you find all your letter friends, and you have to play the silent game all by yourself. You don't need anyone's help. Do you need anyone's help? No, my smart babies can recognize all their letters, and it's so easy. The same letter, you have to find it on the mat. And once many of your letters are finished, it will be so easy to spot out wherever there is no sticker. You have to find the friend. That letter friend is there. Just peeling the sticker, it might be sometimes very difficult for you, but I'm sure once you do it right, you'll be able to get it. See, here is my letter O. And as you put each sticker, children, please say the letters and put it. P. Now the last line of this. Q, 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 Q. Here is letter Q. Now R. R. Now let's find S. Here it is. So easy. S. T, 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 T. Now when you finish most of them and very few are left, the last letters, it will be very easy for you to find, and you can find it very, very quickly. See, I found before I could pick up my sticker, I found my letter U also. As I told you, there are very few which are empty now. So this way, when you play the game, children, you will enjoy it, and it's a nice way of revising all your letters also. Don't you think so? Yes. And you know, when you peel these stickers and you put it, it also exercises your little fingers, and it is very, very good for you. Why? Last one. So easy. Yes, I finished it. So children, this way you will make your little mat of A to Z by putting stickers and doing this nice little game. I hope you enjoy it. So children, did you enjoy that game? Yes, I'm sure you're going to have fun. In case parents, you don't have these stickers or you cannot find them, then you can even give them bottle caps on which you can put these letters and put it on the mat. So whatever is available, or you can even write it on the slate and then write these papers on small papers. You can write the alphabets and ask them to place. But stickers would be a very good option, as it will help them to exercise their fine motor skills. So we leave the option to you. Whatever is readily available for you, you can use that. Now children, after that very nice revision of A to Z, it's time for us to say goodbye. But before we say goodbye, since today is Monday, we also have an home assignment, and this is our last home assignment. So let's go and see what is our home assignment for today. So children, this is our home assignment for today, And as usual, we always request our mummy and daddy to write our name and today's date. Now let's read what the instruction says. Instruction says trace the letters from Q to Z. It's very easy. We have already done our letter tracing individually, but now we are going to trace the letters from Q to Z. And once we finish tracing it, we'll request our mummy or daddy to just click a picture and email it to us. So I hope you enjoy doing this very quick and easy letter tracing worksheet. So after that very easy home assignment of tracing letters from Q to Z, I'm sure you'll do it very quickly. Let us see what all we did today. So you started your day with Miss Ruby, and as you all know, we are into recap week. So now we will be revising all that we have done throughout the second term. And she revised with you the 3 theme topics. And which were they? Bumpy boxes, fancy fabrics, and busy brushes. So she told you all about these 3 topics. We revised whatever we have learned, and I'm now sure that you remember all of it. After which, you had your music class with Miss Suraya, where you enjoyed singing all the lovely songs. And then today we did our letter revision. We revised all the letters from A to Z, and we revised it in a different way by playing the sticker game. And then we came to know what is our home assignment for today. And now it's time for us to say our prayers. So come on, join your hands, close your eyes. At the end of the day, just bow and say, "Thank you, God, for my work and play. I tried to be good, and I know that I should." That's my prayer at the end of the day. So children, have a nice day. Enjoy doing all the activities, revising. So we will see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.